It's been another hot and dry autumn for the San Francisco Bay Area, and my garden isn't offering many blooms right now. So today I'm creating an arrangement featuring eucalyptus, a plant native to Australia but is abundant in here. The eucalyptus is incredibly versatile for floral designs, and I love using not only its striking foliage but also bark and fruits. With Halloween around the corner, why not make a fun, seasonable arrangement for your Halloween party? Let's start out with eucalyptus bark. These trees shed annually, and the dead bark often hang from the lower part of the trunk. This large variety may be blue gum eucalyptus. I gather the dead bark from the ground. A straight long bark can be used like this gardenia arrangement, but you can also manipulate the shape a day in advance. And this bark is wet, that I wet overnight, so it's already soft. You can kind of tear like this pretty easily with hand. I will use a clothespin to, I will tie two together like this. I'm gonna dry this one overnight. Next, let's explore eucalyptus foliage. This medium variety may be Radiana gum eucalyptus. I'm lucky to find it growing in an open field nearby, and I normally gather it from Christmas wreath. It stays fresh even without water. I'm also using silver dollar gum eucalyptus, which resembles large coins. For this arrangement, I'm cascading foliage from the bases. Finally, we have our eucalyptus fruits, also known as gum nuts. These hardwood seed capsules are very popular for flower designs. And this particular one is from sugar gum eucalyptus. I found a large fallen branch near Presidio Church in San Francisco last year. And I will make a spider out of these fruits. Okay, so 4 holes this side. So this is 4, so I want to make the other 4 on the other side. So about like this, gonna mark. Then I gonna use a pipe cleaner to make a legs. Can be rough, but I'm gonna cut like this. Thread from here and then touch the other side of the shell. I'm gonna snip here. This is a spider. Now that I've prepared all the materials, it's time to assemble. Since both the bark and fruits are brown, I've chosen white bases for a color contrast. In this one, I am using Kenzan, so I will drop this one in here, add some water. And for this toe base, I am putting crossbar in between to control the direction of the branches. Otherwise, if you put branch like this, it's gonna go like this. So I put the crossbar to control. Then I'm gonna use dry magnolia branches. So try to cross that so that it does not move. Like this one. And then I want to make shorter branches for this side, so it's like kind of arching over here. Oops. So this one I have a Kenzan, so I'm gonna try to break the bottom so it's easier to this, so it will stay like this. So this one is already manipulated, this bark, so it's not straight anymore like this one. So I'm gonna use this one as some interest to the back. So if you break a part here, and it's gonna insert like this one. I'm using this beautiful dahlia that I got from farmer's market. This is perfect for Halloween, the color goes very well. So this will cascade from the base. So this one is silver dollar eucalyptus, looks like a large coin. And then next I'm gonna make a spider web. So you can buy these cotton thing at the craft store or Halloween store, and this one will like expand like this, so it will kind of almost looks like a spider, like a cobweb. And I'm gonna add this one to here, this branches to this one to create a spider hanging from both sides. So let me just arch something like this. Then try to hang from the edge of the branch here, like this, and then keep going. Then try to cascade like this, and then it's gonna go to the other side of the branches. This one moves a little bit secure. And then, okay. So looking like a cobweb. And I'm gonna add spiders. And then to see if they can hang from the somewhere here. So this spider, I drilled a hole and put the fishing line, so its spider is hanging from here, like something like that. That's all for today. Halloween arrangement using 3 parts of eucalyptus: bark, fruits, and then foliage. Happy Halloween!